Hello everyone, welcome to Next Tech. In this session, we are going to configure static NAT. For that, we have taken two routers and we have created one private network. And in this private network, you can see one PC and one server. And we will assign IP to this device as in the label. For that, we will go to PC0 at first and desktop IP, static IP 20.20.20.2 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 20.20.20.20.1 and go to the next PC desktop, then static IP 20.20.20.3 and the subnet marks 255.255.255.0 and default gateway 20.20.20.20.1 and then we'll go to the private network and assign IP to this PC. Here the static IP 192.168.1.2 and subnet marks 255.255.255.255.0 and the subnet and the default gateway 192.168.1.1 and now we'll assign IP to the server. Go to the desktop and IP configuration, then in IP viewport address 192.168.1.3 subnet marks, then default gateway 192.168.1.1. Now we'll configure to the router 1, go to the CLI mode, then enable configure terminal, then select interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, assign IP address 20.20.20.1 and subnet marks 255.255.255.0 and enable the interface. Now go to the another interface, serial interface, serial 0/3/0 and assign IP address 30.30.30.1 and subnet marks 255.255.255.0 and enable the interface. For that, no shutdown, exit. Now we'll go to the next router and same as before, enable configure, then select the interface serial 0/3/0, then I assign IP address 30.30.30.2 and subnet marks 255.255.255.0 and enable the interface, no shutdown, another interface, go to the another interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and assign the IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet marks 255.255.255.0. So no shutdown, exit. Now for the static NAT, we are going to create the static route. For that, IP route and the destination address, destination network 20.20.20.0 and subnet marks 255.255.255.0 and next hop is 30.30.30.1. Now we'll create NAT. In this router, IP NAT inside shows static, then IP address of the private 192.168.1.2, then the global IP 30.30.30.2, and same for the server. Change it. Now we'll assign the interface of this router to uh, inside source and outside source. For that, select interface, Gigabit Ethernet 0/0 and IP NAT inside, and another interface serial 0/3/0, then IP NAT outside. Now we'll test the connectivity from PC 0 ping the global IP address assigned in this router 30.30.30.2. Ping should be successful here. Now we'll try to ping the private network IP, ping 192.168.1.2. We cannot ping, but this public network PC are reachable from this private network. Go to command prompt and ping 20.20.20.2. Now we'll test the wave. Here you can see in the server, in the service tab, we have enabled HTTP. Now we'll try to browse from the PC0 and go to web browser of the PC. Then we should write here the global IP 30.30.30.2. Here you can see we have successfully accessed the server's web page. Thanks for watching Nexplorer Tech. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more networking and IT tutorials. See you in the next video.